Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 3, subject maths, chapter number 4, multiplication. And this is fourth session on this chapter. Today, let us learn multiplication of a 3-digit number by a single-digit number. First, we will see multiplication without regrouping. Example number 4 in our textbook. A bus covers a distance of 231 kilometers in one day. How much distance will it cover in 3 days? So here in this question, a bus is described. You can see in the picture. So a bus covers a distance of 231 kilometers in one day. ಸೊ ಈ ಬಸ್ಸು ಒಂದು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ 231 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಇನ್ 3 days ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 3 days. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ 231 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸನ್ನೇ 3 ದಿನ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ ಬಸ್ಸು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫೌಂಡ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ 231 by 3. Let us do that now. Solution. Let us write down the numbers appropriately in a place values table. So in the number 231, 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 1 is in ones place. And we are multiplying 231 by 3. So here this is into mark which represents the multiplication. Now let us multiply and find the total distance traveled by this bus. So in the first step, we will multiply the digit at ones place by 3. So when we do that, we get, so 3 ones are 3. So we write 3 here in ones place. And in the second step, we will multiply the digit at tens place by 3. So 3 3s are 9. We write 9 in tens place. And in the third step, we will multiply the digit at hundreds place by 3. That is 3 2s are 6. So we write 6 here. 693. So on multiplying 231 by 3, we get 693 as answer. So the product of 231 and 3 is 693. Here the number 231 is called multiplicand and 3 is called multiplier, and the answer we get after multiplying is called product. So 231 is multiplicand, 3 is multiplier, and 693 is the product. So here we have few questions to be solved in try these. Number 3, solve the following. So we have 5 questions in total. So all the 5 are simple multiplication problems. Multiplication of 3-digit number by a single digit number. So in question number 1, we have 104 into 2. Let us write down these numbers in place values table according to their place values. In 104, 1 is in hundreds place, 0 is in tens place, and 4 is in ones place. We multiply these digits by 2, starting from digit at ones place. So we multiply 4 by 2, that is 2 4s are 8. So we write 8 here in ones column. And then we multiply the digit at tens place by 2. And here we have 0, and we know that 0 multiplied by any number gives us 0. Therefore, the digit at tens place will be 0. 2 into 0 is 0. And in the third step, we multiply the digit at hundreds place, that is 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2. We write 2 in hundreds place. 208 is the product of 104 and 2. Now let us take the second question. 211 into 3. Let us write down these numbers in place values table, and we multiply starting from ones place, and 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. So we write 3 in ones place, and again we have 1 in tens place. We multiply 1 by 3, that is 3 ones are 3, and we multiply the digit at hundreds place, 2 hundreds by 3. So 3 twos are 6, which represents 6 hundreds. The product is 633. That is the product of 211 and 3 is 633. Moving to question number 3. So we have 421 into 2. So we write down these numbers in place values table like this, and we multiply starting from ones place digit. So 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones, and we have 2 tens here. Multiplying 2 tens by 2, we get 4 tens, 2 twos are 4. So 4 tens are written in 4 tens column, and we have 4 hundreds here. 4 in hundreds place represents 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds into 2 is 8 hundreds. So we write 8 in hundreds column. So now the product is 842. Let us now move to the next question. Question number 4. So in question number 4 we have 330 into 3. So on writing these numbers in place values table, we will have this, and we multiply the digit at ones place by 3 first. So we have 0 here. So 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So we get 0 at ones place here. And then in the tens place we have 3, which represents 30. So multiplying 30 by 3, we get 90. 3 3s are 9. So it is in tens place, it becomes 90. So we write 9 in tens place. Again we have 3 in hundreds place. So it represents 3 hundreds. So 3 hundreds into 3 is 9 hundreds. So we write 9 in hundreds place, which will be 900. Therefore the product is 990. That is the product of 330 and 3 is 990. Now let us take the fifth and last question in this exercise. Question number 5. 122 into 4. So we write the numbers in place values table, and we multiply the digit at ones place by 4. So 2 ones into 4 is 8 ones. So we write 8 here. in ones column, and here we have 2 in tens column which represents 20. So multiplying 20 by 4 we get 80. 2 tens into 4 is 80. So we write 8 in tens column. And in the hundreds column we have 1, so which represents 100. So on multiplying 100 by 4 we get 4 hundreds, so we write 4 in hundreds column. The product of 122 and 4 is 488. Now let us take some examples for multiplication with regrouping. Example number 5. Find the product 574 into 3. Solution. Let us write down these numbers in place values table as shown here. 574 into 3. Let us now multiply starting from ones column. Here we have 4 ones to be multiplied by 3, and 4 ones multiplied by 3 gives us 12 ones, and 12 ones are regrouped as 110 and 2 ones. So 110 is carried forward to the tens column, and 2 ones are written in the ones column. And then we multiply the digit at tens place by 3, that is 7 tens by 3. So on multiplying 7 tens by 3 we get 21 tens. 21 tens plus 110 will be 22 tens, and 22 tens are regrouped as 2 hundreds and 2 tens. So we write a 2 in tens column, and 2 hundreds are carried forward to the hundreds column. Here we have 5 hundreds to be multiplied by 3. So on multiplying we get 15 hundreds, and 15 hundreds plus 2 hundreds will be 17 hundreds, and 17 hundreds are regrouped as 1000 and 7 hundreds. So we write 1 in thousands column and 7 in hundreds column. The product is 1722. The product of 574 and 3 is 1722. So in try these number 4, we have 4 multiplication problems. So all the 4 are 3-digit numbers multiplied by a 1-digit number. Let us solve this. So here we have to multiply 4 ones by 4. So 4 fours are 16. 16 ones are regrouped as 110 and 6 ones. And now we multiply this 2 in tens place by 4. 4 twos are 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So it represents 9 tens, and we write 9 in tens column. And in hundreds place we have 1, and 100 multiplied by 4 gives us 400. So we write 4 in hundreds place. 496 is the product. In second question, we have 369 into 2. Let us begin multiplication from ones column, that is 9 ones into 2 is 18 ones, and 18 ones are regrouped as 110 and 8 ones. Multiplying 6 tens by 2. So 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. So 13 tens. 13 tens are regrouped as 103 tens. Now we multiply this 3 by 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7, which is 700. Therefore, the product is 738. Question number 3. 674 into 7. 7 4s are 28. 28 ones are regrouped as 2 tens and 8 ones. So we write 8 in ones column. And 7 multiplied by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 2 is 51. 51 tens are regrouped as 5 hundreds and 1 10. And now on multiplying 6 hundreds by 7, we get 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5 is 47. So 47 hundreds are regrouped as 4000s and 7 hundreds. Coming to question number 4, here we have 635 into 8. So we have to multiply digits at ones place first. That is 5 ones into 8 is 40 ones. So 40 ones are regrouped as 4 tens and 0 ones. We carry forward 4 tens to the tens column and we write 0 ones are 0 in ones column. Now we multiply these 3 tens by 8. So 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. So 28 tens are regrouped as 208 ones. So 200s are carried forward to the hundreds column. Here we have 6 hundreds to be multiplied by 8. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. So 50 hundreds are regrouped as 5 thousands and 0 hundreds. So we write 5 in thousands column and 0 in hundreds column. Therefore, the product of 635 and 8 is 5080. So this is how we can find the product of numbers with and without regrouping. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned the both methods of multiplying with and without regrouping. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.